Okay, so this video is how to make bangers from bottle rockets, such as these, Banshee Thunder. So, take one of these. You don't want this stick, so small cut down the side and peel the stick away. Get as much of the wrapper off as you can, like so. Then take all the blue touch paper off and the white stuff as well. You don't need this, so you can just throw it away. Okay, pull the fuse out and be careful for the little bit of cardboard stopper that's in there. Keep that. There's a bit of cardboard, comes out the end. Okay, now if you can't see, but the first inch or so of this tube is empty. So, and it's also glued in against the wrapping. To make it easier to come out, you can chop off the first inch, roughly an inch, that's what she said. Be careful with your fingers. Okay, so that, as you can see, is completely empty. Don't need that. And you can just about see the rocket part of the firework down the bottom. So really, you want to try and free the cardboard. Keep as much as the not cardboard, brown paper. Keep as much of the brown paper as you can, because you'll use this later to seal it up nice and tight. So, is this one going to come out? If it doesn't come out, if it doesn't pull out the end, just keep peeling more and more paper off, because there'll be a little bit of glue on this white tube. This one's particularly gluey, it's not a word. Oh well. That is the bit that shoots the firework into the sky, and that's the bit that makes a bang. Now we've not got much of the paper bit left, so I will go and get some tape and show you what to do next. 2 seconds. A little bit of parcel tape, solid tape, whatever. That's all you need. Now remember the cardboard stopper from before. Take the fuse, get all the bits of paper off it. It's nice and neat. Take the fuse, a bit of brown paper. It'll already have a slight bend in it, so we'll just use that, and then make sure the bottom of the fuse is on the bottom of the brown paper, so it's bent round. Stick that on there, and then you want the pressure pushing down on a bit of paper to keep this fuse against the against what's left of the firework. So take that. Not very neat, but the fuse is there, and that's the banger. Done.